What you doing?
Painting.
Sick of it yet?
Yep. Sick of it before I started.
Yeah.
Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'll show you how I eat an elephant. We've been building this house for about 18 years and it's been a really long and slow process. A bit like eating an elephant. And how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time. And that's how we've been doing these renovations, one room at a time. First, we did my daughter's bedroom, which was the Rose room. Second, we did the Cockatoo Room, which was my younger son's bedroom. And third was my older son's bedroom, which got turned into Louise's painting studio. So next on the list is the hallway. There's nothing special about the hallway, but it has two cupboards and the doors are timber, and now they're going to be painted white to match the rest of the styling we've been doing. The insides of the cupboards have never been painted, so they're going to get a coat as well. So follow me as we take another bite.
So these are the doors we're going to be painting white, and this is to continue on the theme of all the doors being white. The insides of the cupboard need to be painted, but first we have to get out all this stuff. Alright, now that the cupboards are emptied, I've just got to go through now and do a little bit of filling some gaps there, and then these will all need to be undercoated and painted. I had to do a little bit of patching. There was a couple of holes that were never filled, so I've just filled in some little pieces and at the bottom. And then we'll have to put in this skirting, but I'm going to give the walls a coat first and then put the skirting in last. Just going to take off the door handles and all the fittings from the doors and get them ready for paint.
Well, it's another day doing the hall. Last week all I managed to get done was a little bit of preparation, blocking some holes. I got all the insides of the cupboards undercoated and the doors adjusted. This week we're going to get some top coat inside the cupboards and undercoat the doors, maybe get a top coat or two on. See how we go. So I've fully undercoated 3 of the doors and I've started cutting in 3 of the other ones because I've got nowhere to put them at the moment. And the 3 doors that are fully undercoated, I've done a little bit of patching. Some of the larger holes and dents are in the doors. They're more noticeable once they've been painted rather than when they're in the timber. So I've got to sand those. I'm going to start top coat today and maybe even get some timber done.
today's another day. This is weekend 3. These doors are taking so long. These doors have to be undercoated and top coated, and that's 2 coats of top coat, but I have no room, so I have them spread out on the back deck. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to hang the 3 doors so I can do the insides, take the other doors off here that you can see on my right, and put them out on the deck to paint, give them a undercoat and top coat. Then I'm going to finish off the insides of the cupboards. I've got to get to the timber and give it a sand so I can get the clear on the timber, but also I've measured out the timber for the inside the cupboards. Hopefully this weekend I'll get them installed as well.
Well, that was a big job. We're nearly done. Last week I got all the timber in the bottom of the cupboards. Insides of the cupboards are painted. Doors are painted, all but one final coat. I've got to get the door handles on it. Last bit of coat around the timber, and then we're done. And that's it. It only took me 4 weekends. We've been building this house for about 18 years, and it's been a really long, slow process. We've been building this house for about 16 years. We've been building this house for about 18 years, and it's been a really long. Second, was the Cockatoo Room, which
Just start for a second.
there's nothing special about the hallway, but there's two